Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Sometimes you want a basic, efficient, smooth shave, no frills. That's what we're going to do right now. Mula R41 Twist. Instead of being a 3-piece, it's a 2-piece razor. Breaks down into 2 pieces. I'm going to use a feather blade. Here it is in the paper. Here it is out of the paper. Over the threaded post and the 2 pins. Right back into the razor. As I said, 2-piece. Just tighten it down. This razor weighs in at 3.2 ounces or 90 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 4.2 inches or 107 millimeters. It's a nice hefty razor. Let's warm up the face with some hot water. Your favorite shaving cream, whatever that may be. Fingertips, like that. Together and right into the beard. No brush, no bowl. Clear the runways. Temper the razor under the hot water. Here we go. Rinse. 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 One pass. Shave Nation wide stick Allen block. Dry the face. Aftershave balm. Basic, efficient, smooth. No frills. Have a great shave. Have a great day. like I have a 4 o'clock shadow, you gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.